My name is Sanjeev Rangras. I am the Chief Executive for the agri-business of ITC. The business is about a 10,000 crore business which we run out of our headquarters in Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. We have been in Guntur and in the agri-business for the last 100 plus years. So there is a very, very deep knowledge of agri-business. And perhaps the most exciting intervention which we have done in the last 20-30 years is one of e-Chaupan. When internet was just about starting in the world, we had started upon this initiative in a small way where we ensured that we brought in information arbitrage to the farmer. This slowly evolved over the last 20 years into a model where it was not only dealing with only selling, but we made sure that we built an ecosystem whereby all the agri-input providers, all the people providing farm machinery, everyone could collect into a village through our processes and was able to offer the farmer a comprehensive set of services. But at the end, I must say that this entire journey would not have been possible without the inputs and the partnership which we enjoy with ITC Infotech. We launched the first module in 3 months, which ordinarily would have taken me almost 1 to 2 years. And they were able to offer me almost a 90% ready, which I was able to tweak slightly and able to implement. So this journey is continuing, and we believe that this journey will help us even cross 10 million farmers to 20 million farmers